Welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Today we're going to make a copycat recipe since you all seem to enjoy them as much as I do. In fact, at this time I'd like to make sure that I thank all of our new subscribers and all of you who have watched my channel. I really appreciate it. We've had a wonderful surge lately and it really helps the channel. So once again, thanks to all of you. Now today we're going to make a copycat of Panda Express's chicken mushrooms. Delicious chicken with lightly sauteed zucchini and mushrooms in a soy, ginger, and garlic sauce. We're going to use fresh ingredients and create a healthier version of this great meal in the time that it takes to make the rice to go with it. This recipe is perfect if you want to enjoy Chinese takeout at home. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. We're going to start out with I've got just over a pound of breast chicken. Now, Panda Express uses chicken thighs, but actually the breast of chicken, although the thighs are really good, the breast of chicken will make it just a little bit healthier for us. They're cut into bite-sized pieces. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And then just toss it together so that all the chicken is coated. Okay, we're going to add our chicken to our skillet. It's on medium-high heat. And we're going to let it cook on each side for about 3 or 4 minutes. It's been cooked on all sides. Now we're going to remove the chicken for a bit, put the pan back on the heat, and now we're going to start sauteing the vegetables. Skillet on medium-high heat, we're going to put a tablespoon of canola oil and a tablespoon of sesame oil. Now I've got about 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms and 2 small zucchinis that I've sliced in half lengthways and then down the middle to make just half moon sizes. And they're about 1/2 inch wide. I'm going to add that as well. Now we're going to cook these just until they start to brown a little bit in the oil. Try and stir them around a little bit so that they all get some of the oils on them. And your heat should be at high now. Okay, now we're going to add, if you have fresh
ginger
or
ginger
paste, you can use 2 teaspoons. I don't happen to have that, but I do have ground
ginger,
which is fine, and you use a 1/2 teaspoon of ground
ginger.
I also have 3 minced garlic cloves, and we're going to stir those around a little bit for about 30 seconds till it starts getting aromatic. You don't want to go much longer than that or your garlic will start to burn. Now, we can take our chicken that we set aside, add it back to the skillet, stir it all together till it's well coated. And then we're going to cook it for 2 or 3 minutes just to allow the veggies to soften a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to add a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I'm using a low sodium soy sauce here. Now we're going to stir it all together, let it warm up well, and it'll be ready to serve. And that's it for today. Another delicious meal you can create in your own kitchen in about 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did, and if you have any suggestions or requests, just leave them in the comments below. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes from Cat Scratch Kitchen, and come back next week for another great recipe. Until then, have fun in the kitchen.